Okay, if you're trying to change the price on a Vendo, just show you right here. You can open the door to the back side here. Typically with these, there'll be a button. You have a panel. Inside the button, it'll be your mode. You push it one time. You're gonna come up here. Looks like it didn't go that time. Just push that again. There it is. It should read error. Okay. On this one, you got 3 different buttons. This one's your up. This one's your enter. This one's your back. You're gonna push the up button until in here it reads cost. Now in here, that's cost on this machine. So I'm gonna hit my button here. Okay, you can do all, or hit the enter on the up button, selection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through, and choose which one you want, right? Selection 1, you can hit enter. So $2. Let's just say I wanted to change it. I would hit this button right here, okay, and then I would hit this button until I get to my desired price. You can hold it down. It's just faster to change it this way. Okay. So if you hold it down, it goes back and forth. That was this button right here. Okay. Once you hit it, you hit the middle button, enter. Then you hit the back button. Come back over here. Like I said, my panel is missing, but now we're back. That is how you change the price on a Vendo. Option 1, $2. Option 2, $3. Okay. Thank you.